That reminds me of something else that I wanted to tell you for these holidays and beyond. When there is darkness, and I didn't plan this, it's gone dark outside. When there is darkness, don't curse the darkness, light a candle, right? And that's another summary of often we go into, how does it help? How does it help the situation? How does it help us? How can I light a candle? Come back to touch in contact with your heart and breathe. So touch and breath are two really powerful tools to cultivate inner peace. Why? Because the breath influences everything in the functioning of your body through its connection with the vagus nerve, the breath as we come down, then it informs the viscera, because the viscera and the vagus nerve, the autonomic nervous system, they are all connected. The autonomic nervous system makes sure not only that these automatic functions keep going on, like your heart rate and your digestion and all that, but it also influences the state, because it depends how you're feeling, it gets coordinated with the other organs. So automatic means that they are all going in the same direction. If you are worrying, your heart and your lungs are doing something, and all the rest of your organism is going along with that kind of emotion. You cannot be relaxing your lungs and rushing, or worrying or whatever dysfunction at the same time. No, the autonomic nervous system makes everything move in one direction, which we need. If we need to come out of a dangerous situation, we need the body to go into action and take action. And there is no time for digestion. There is no time for sleeping. There is no time for anything but getting out of that danger. The problem is when we are continuously under this sensation of danger, then it affects our digestion and our other functions, because they cannot go into optimal functioning while we are in this state of alert, or if prolonged state of shutdown, which is another way the body is trying to help us. If you are in imminent death, imminent risk of death, overwhelmed, this situation is unbearable, then the body goes to shut down to minimize the pain of the last minutes. So we don't want to be on shutdown or on overactive, especially over long times, because it totally messes up our organism and our mind, our relationships, everything. So we need to consciously bring these moments of peace. So we are having the posture again, feeling the safety and support of the grounding through the earth, feeling the opening of our body straight and relaxed. This puppeteer, divine puppeteer, helping us to straighten up by pulling up here, and then the angel also helping us to straighten our spine. And we are coming back in contact with our heart and our lungs through touch. And now we are going to add breath, a Taoist way of breathing that's called letting go of the old, taking in the new. So as we put our hands here, and we are thankful for our life and our organs, our lungs, our heart, all our organism, amazing organism, present moment, pausing, coming back into the present moment, touch. Now breath, we let go with a long exhale. Long exhale triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the one that helps to relax, rest, and repair. So long exhale through barely parted lips. I'll explain why in a moment. And then you let go whatever is wearing you at the time. And then inhale through the nose, new inspiration. So you are taking in the new, which you are inviting in your life, what you want to consciously cultivate, and then letting go of layers and layers of what's wearing you at the same time that you are nurturing your heart and lungs, and with great compassion for yourself and for the responses in your own organism about whatever is happening. So this continuum of body, mind, and spirit. You are nesting your heart and lungs. You are connecting with your whole organism. Exhaling, letting go. I notice that when I exhale through the mouth, this long exhale, it seems to release more. You could do it also through the nose if you prefer. It's always inhaling through the nose, new inspiration, and then exhaling through nose. For example, try it. Letting go. And now let's take inhaling through the nose. New inspiration, exhaling through the mouth. Long, slow, complete exhale. When the time comes to inhale again, inhaling through the nose. So I'm going to be silent for a little while. It's hard for me to let you work with what you are working. So we are inhaling through the nose, new inspiration, whatever you want to invite into your life, peace, ease, healing, receiving it as you conceive it, and exhaling through the mouth or the whatever way you like, long exhale, exhaling layers and layers of what's bothering you. Or maybe you can drop it all at once, but I'm going to be humble here and say exhaling layers and layers of what is bothering you right now or concerning you. Okay, let's do 5 of these. Inhaling through the nose, slowly, gently, and deeply. Inviting what you want to manifest in your life, receiving it, and exhaling, letting go of what worries you, making new space for more inspiration to come in. And so it goes a cycle. Okay, so work with something that you want to work, and also still feel your heart, hands at your heart, and it's great compassion for yourself and your circumstances. And with gratitude for the opportunities in your life to work with this. If the mind goes away, like it often does, just gently bring it back to this breath, inhaling slowly, gently, and deeply. And to this exhale, exhaling, relinquishing, letting go of what burdens you. And be totally content with whatever arises and whatever is happening in the process. Our organism, our nervous system learns through repetition and through kindness. It doesn't like it if we start going, oh, maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe why don't I want to do anymore? If you don't want to do anymore, stop and just observe whatever sensations are in your body. You had enough of this. It's a new thing. Okay, just observe like a child in a self-discovery journey. Oh, how interesting. This is the sensations I'm feeling. And then if you can, let's do 1 or 2 more breaths. Inhaling through the nose gently. When the time comes to exhale, exhaling through the mouth, slow, long exhale. Inviting your body to relax. Wonderful, wonderful. So you can do this for as long as you like. Let's also move a little bit, turning the head to one side, coming to the center, turning it to the other side slowly. This helps stimulate the accessory nerve here, and it's also part of the path of the vagus nerve, which starts right here in the back and comes to the side, and then it comes here, this very center, passes through our cardiopulmonary plexus, the plexus of nerves for the heart and the lungs, and then it goes through the diaphragm hole together with the esophagus, same hole, and then it innervates the digestion. So of course, all this helps a lot with everything in your body, your heart rate, your breathing, and your digestion. You probably will notice that whenever there are these different tensions, your digestion also gets upset. So very important, since in these holidays we are also often combining eating and a feel for maybe intense emotions, hopefully happy ones, but no guarantees.